afternoon or good morning, ma'am. My name is Sarnada Falar and today I'm going to do wound care. The indication of this is to prevent infection, to facilitate healing, and to minimize pain and discomfort. So first is I'm going to put patient's hand in comfortable position, then put incontinent pad, as is there is incontinent pad under the affected area. Then get cotton balls. And put water. This is to moisten the plaster. Then discard. Gently remove the old dressing to avoid trauma to the wound. Then discard. Next, I'm going to prepare materials. So, get cotton balls. Apply betadine. Then, get gauze pad. Check the integrity of the gauze pad. Any discoloration? Okay, none. Then, next is I'm going to change soil gloves to green gloves, to sterile gloves. So then do hand sanitize and hand washing. Do hand washing, then hand sanitize. Then check the integrity of, get the sterile gloves and check the integrity. Any discoloration or insect bites. Then flip. Then drop. Okay. Then put powder in your hand. Then next is, since I'm wearing sterile gloves, I'm going to pick cotton balls with betadine and transfer. Then gently paint the wound from top to bottom in single stroke. Then discard. Then get the new set of gauze pad. Gently put it to the wound. Then apply and get plaster or micropore. Then put first at the top. Then second at the bottom. And lastly, the third part is at the center. Then, finally done cleaning the wounds. So, I'm done.